Hey guys, feel good moments of life. Yes, they do bring a lot of happiness for one and all. The priority is think good for all, do good for all, and explore the possibility of happiness. You imbibe happiness and explore happiness to the best. The idea is to be happy and find a reason to be one. With morning blues and criticism by peers, the road rage, everything monitors to tension in life and irritation. But a happy soul forgets everything and believes in positivity, believes in self pride, believes in an optimistic nature. Yes, it can be done. Should be a priority in life with the feel good thought analysis and moments of life. Yes, of course, the feel good factor is the evergreen SMS when you get your salary has been credited to your bank account. Yeah, wow, the payday, which we call it. But yes, the other side of it is passing for credit card bills, exploring other things. But we need to greet the life with enthusiasm. In the ocean of silence, you will discover your eternal treasure of peace, love, and happiness. In silence, you can let bad feelings and past sorrows dissolve. In silence, you can hear the whisper of God saying, "Come, my child, and rest with me. You are a peaceful soul." The priority is that we need to greet life with enthusiasm and confidence by constantly maintaining the awareness of how cherished we are. Exploring the participation, the best ornament is humanity. The richest wealth is wisdom. The strongest weapon is patience. The best security is faith. And the best tonic is laughter. Everything comes with one mantra, the happiness quotient, which we need to imbibe, which we need to imbibe with perfection and on a regular basis. Make happiness a hobby rather than an occasional occurrence. That's all for the module 1. Stay connected and explore happiness towards prosperity. Thank you.